In today's video I'm going to show you how to delete a theme from WordPress. It's always good to get rid of any unused stuff on your WordPress dashboard, themes, plugins, etc. Today we're going to look at deleting the unused themes that you might have downloaded in the past or added to your dashboard. So if you go to Appearances and Themes, and then you'll see all the themes that you've got downloaded, and then what we need to do is get rid of all the unused ones. So to do this, if you click on one of the unused themes, and then in the bottom corner you'll see delete. If you just click on that, and then you'll get rid of that theme, and then just keep doing that for all the different themes that you need to get rid of. So that's a really quick and easy way to get rid of the unused themes, and I hope you found it useful. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button below. And you can subscribe to the channel by clicking the red button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified when I upload more videos. If you want to see more WordPress information and resources, go to the blog at explorewp.com.